This is how you play Seben on a bass guitar. So this bass line is in a key of G, and the progression is 1 4 5 4. So we've got G, C, D, C, or Sol, Do, Re, Do, Sol. So the bass line is simply as I mentioned in my previous videos, when I play Seben on bass, I use my left thumb to mimic the bass drum. So every single time I play a note, before that, I will mute the E string. So I'll do this. And so if I play G, in this case we're playing G, so the 1, then the octave, so we're playing G, 1, the octave, and then 1 4 4, then slide to the 5 5. Well, I'm not actually sliding, I'm hammering on the 5, so I'm doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm doing, so play the note once with your index finger, and then you hit it with the pinky on the 5, so where the D is. So then I play the 5, so when I play the 5, I'm actually playing the 7 here. So 7, that's the F sharp. So after playing, I play 6 1 again. So 2 1, octave 1 4, sorry, 1 4 4 5 7 6 1 2 1. So 2 1, octave 1 4 4 5 7. So you hit the 7 twice. Then 6 1, and then after all I'm simply playing is 1 7 6. So the G, F sharp, E. So I'm playing G 7 6 2 5 5 7 6 1 again. G octave, F sharp octave or 7 octave, 6, so the E octave, then 2 5 7 6 1 2 1. So two 1 7 6, 5,